Hi Virgo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 7th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Five of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and Eight of Pentacles. Person B here has Eight of Cups, the Justice card, and the Knight of Pentacles. Now bottom of the deck I have a Page of Cups, which means that with a very immature energy somebody wants to express their emotions to the other person. It could be you, it could be the other person also. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Five of Pentacles, which means that you're feeling left out in the cold. You feel as if this person doesn't care about you. The second card here is Three of Swords, which could mean a third party situation for some of you, or you could feel heartbroken. You could feel as if this person has cheated you, deceived you. Now the third card for you is Eight of Pentacles. This means you have to put in a lot of work. Even in spite of all the things that you've been feeling, okay, if you still feel that you want to make sure that this relationship works, you will have to put in double the effort that you're putting in right now. Now for person B here, the first card is Eight of Cups. This person is going to walk away from some situation. It could be this relationship as well, or it could be something in their life which is not adding value to them. The second card is the Justice card. It means that if this person faced some kind of injustice, they will get justice in this situation. And for others, if there is some kind of legal court case that this person is involved in, they will get victory in that situation. The verdict will come out in their favor. Now the third card for them is Knight of Pentacles, which means that this person will walk very slow and take very small steps towards you, and you will eventually feel that this person is not interested at all, but that is not the case. This is one of the most stable knights, and you need to be a little patient with them. With this, we'll see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card is Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit card, and the Ace of Pentacles. Now with Eight of Pentacles, this person will have to put in a lot of effort to make this relationship work. With the Hermit card, which is Virgo energy, it means that they will do some kind of self-reflection on themselves and how this relationship is working between the two of you. And with Ace of Pentacles being there, they will offer you one pentacle and see if you will accept that pentacle, and eventually they will grow that pentacle, which is a very positive sign. We'll also now go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is work through your fears. It means that if there is something which is kind of scaring you, okay, then you need to work through your fears, and that's when things will work out between the two of you. We'll also now go ahead and quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can also help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Solicitite. The crystal message is, are you trying to process a lot of information? Take the time to sort out all that is happening. Write it in your journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thought and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness, and spiritual growth. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Gabriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.